Hello, my name is Irina. I disagree with the assumption people with a high IQs are good language learners. As Francois Gouin's story shows, people of a brilliant mind may fail to learn a foreign language if they don't know special techniques. My colleague may serve a similar illustration of the incorrectness of the assumption people with high IQs are good language learners. My colleague graduated from university with distinction. She is a very clever person and she is highly appreciated at work because of her professionalism. She started learning English just 3 years ago. She attended a special course where 10 students and she were taught English through conversations. Through conversations. From my point of view, the teacher used the technique that should be mostly used with children, not with adults. The students of this course and their teachers just talked. In 3 years of these studies, my colleague finally gave up continuing, mm, and she decided that she didn't have a natural aptitude for foreign languages. The teacher didn't explain any grammar rules and didn't teach reading or writing on this course. Uh, as a result, my colleague couldn't express herself in English in 2 years of these studies and she gave up. 3 months ago, her neighbor, a French teacher, invited her to have French classes. Can you imagine that just 2 or 3 days ago, my colleague read a text in French and told me about herself in French without any difficulties. She was very fluent and I saw her smiling. At that moment, I remembered her complaints about English. I thought that if a person is clever and determined, it can be not enough for success in studying a foreign language. Any student should have a plan of their studies, which would include practicing all the skills, mm, namely speaking, reading, writing, and listening. So, in my opinion, not IQ is important for students to progress in their studies, but determination and a holistic approach to a subject. Thank you very much. Bye bye.